Hi, we are Team Azerbaijan and this is our first participation in the BIEA competition. The undeniable growth of population, unfortunately, leads to the growth of consumption among people. Therefore, plastic pollution became a huge buzz over the last few years. With over 8 million tons of plastic ending up in our oceans every year, this comes as no surprise. We decided to focus on the environment that surrounds us every day, Baku, our capital and our native city. A topic was chosen and the research was conducted, as Baku has an exit to the Caspian Sea, and the disposal of plastic waste there is a very serious issue. Therefore, we will focus on cleaning, saving, and preserving this area's natural habitat. The main sources of the pollution on the Caspian Sea are leaked oil waste products and plastic. There are enormous amounts of plastic bottles and incomposable bags at the shore. Because of the plastic wastes, hundreds of marine fauna die or end up being injured or intoxicated. Moreover, remains of plastic and the result of biomagnification will get to the organisms of people who consume those animals, and this can cause serious health issues. Humanity must find a way to solve this problem autonomously. Otherwise, the problem can take on new dimensions. We were inspired by Mars rover opportunity, launched on July 7, 2003, as a part of NASA's Mars Exploration Rover program. We developed a sketch of a prototype and even constructed it. We watched a few documentaries about this rover and we were impressed by its mobility, so we decided to use this rover as the base for our project design. Our solution combines robotics and biology. Some types of worms can consume plastic and turn it into carbon dioxide and biodegradable substances. Mealworm, waxworm, and a worm named Morio can decompose different types of plastic waste. We designed our robot in a way that can collect the waste, compress them, and feed it to the worms. Our robot needs to be fully autonomous, so we stick to using solar energy panels for a more lasting battery life and neural network for recognizing plastic wastes. Our robot moves with 4 DC motors, which makes it all-wheel drive and help when driving through mud and obstacles. The robot detects plastic bottles and bags using computer vision, picks them up using a special robot arm and a compressor, and puts it on the pressing mechanism. The mechanism reduces the surface area of the wastes. This will allow holding more plastic waste in the container. After it, the waste goes into the container where our worms eat the plastic and convert it into carbon dioxide and composable substances that can be used as fertilizers. We equipped our robot with LED lights so people can detect it in the nighttime. We additionally installed a foam panel underneath our robot's main body so that it can float on the water. In addition, we installed a camera with night vision, which will be a part of the neural network to help avoiding obstacles. During this project, we all have gained useful knowledge and skill in computer science and biology field. Moreover, we learned how to work in quarantine time when most of our work was done online. We also have experienced some hardships during the work process. The first mechanism we built was not powerful enough, so we had to reconstruct it to achieve more powerful results. However, due to quarantine, local shops were closed and we couldn't buy the needed materials. Instead, we tried to use the ones we already had in our houses and also in the school lab. Even though we had to face some challenges, we worked as a team and made it through.